Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some platters. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Let me go ahead, take this off. I want to be very careful because this stuff is kind of messy. As you can see, it's up in there. So let me go ahead and take these out and then I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're very cute. Great for like brownies or bread. This is what they look like. I really wanted the green ones, but this was the only option they had for me. But nevertheless, still beautiful. I know that it'll go with like if you have a farmhouse theme. Just super pretty, or even the Pioneer Woman, like if you have a lot of that. And these are so affordable. So it comes with 3. They're all the same size, as you can see. They're all the same, but really cute. Even if you're like using them as platters or something, maybe put some chips or something like that in them. Just super cute. You could also use this as like a bowl, like if you were having like nachos or something. Have your individual bowls like this. Very pretty. Okay, so this is 10.5 inches this way and 6 inches this way. It holds up to about 25 ounces, which is really awesome. And it is about 1.75 inches tall, which is really nice. The awesome thing about this is you can cook you something in the oven and just take it to the table and eat directly out of it. Because it's a great like personal size pan, so you can make pastas, anything like that. You can make desserts. I think it would be a really great brownie or even banana nut bread. Like, think of how pretty. It is non-stick on the inside, which is awesome, so you don't really have to worry about anything sticking. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.